smiling rose. Hello friends, today we are going to do a honeybee, which is going to have honey from the flower. First we are drawing its head. It started to match our drawing. See, we started to draw its legs first. Then we will draw its antennae. Antennae helps bee to sense variety of signals including chemicals, light, vibrations and electrical fields. See, now we are drawing its wings. Wings help honeybee to fly. Now we started to draw the sunflower, from which honeybee is going to have its honey. Honeybee is eagerly waiting to have its honey from the flower. These are the stones and some plants nearby the sunflower. Now we are drawing the leaves of sunflower. Orange color. We will give some orange color on the outline of the bee. After that, we will darken the outlines of bee. Now we started to darken the outlines. Our honeybee is looking so happy, isn't it? Let's darken outlines of sunflower plant too. It looks more good after darkening the outlines, isn't it? Yellow color. Let's give yellow color to the heads of bee. We will give alternate yellow and black color to the body of bee. Black color. We will give black color at the ends of the legs. Red color. Grey color. Light grey color. Yellow color. Look, our honeybee is almost ready to have honey from the flower. But it has to wait. Our sunflower isn't yet completed. Orange color. Let's give orange color to the florets. Let's give black color to the stones. give a shade of sap green to the leaves.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little
Green
red
color.
wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to
Sap
my loo,
green
my
color.
darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my
Green color.
darling.
Let's give dark green color to the stem. We are giving sand color to denote the land. Let's give sky blue color to denote the sky.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Let's darken the soil.
Beep, 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 beep.
See, our honeybee is going to have honey from the flower. See you all on next video. Take care all.